but they were probably $100 cheaper than the billet technologies. And these are billet technology catch can. All right, as you can see there. All right, we have a little project today. The box from Black Ops showed up for the billet technology catch can. So we're going to install this today. These are the things that you need. I'll show you the tools, and I'm sure there's tons of videos of this on YouTube, but this is my version. So if you stick around and watch it, and we'll test it out on a little road trip today. So stay tuned. Let me flip this camera to show you the tools and the items I got from Black Ops when I ordered this. Okay, here's the catch can. Pretty. I ordered blue. I didn't order a frostbite, just a blue one. So this is how it comes, but you know, it looks pretty good. On the Black Ops website, you can't really order the specific frostbite color, but they were probably $100 cheaper than the billet technologies. And these are billet technology catch can. All right, as you can see there. Let me take a picture of that if my hand stops shaking. So $100 cheaper at the Black Ops store, but what it comes in is this catch can with the bracket. Comes with the connectors and the bolt that you need. You need this socket, 11/16 socket, and an extension, because it's gonna be needed when you put it over here. And it comes with a couple hoses. The only difference in ordering directly from billet technology is you can choose to have braided lines. I had braided lines on my other cars, my Scat Pack. I'll probably order that later on, but you know, after you customize everything, you're looking at $350. So I just didn't want to order that and then wait for a long time. I waited maybe 3 weeks to get this catch can. It's probably been longer if you order it directly from billet technology. So all my Mopars, my Durango RT had a catch can, my Jeep-Pass RT had a catch can, my Charger Scat Pack had a catch can, and this Hellcat. It just takes longer. So if you don't want to wait, order it while you're ordering the car. So first thing you need to do is remove this cover. This is technically the fuel rail cover. So it just snaps out, and then you pull out there's a tab in the back that you can squeeze. It's kind of hidden. It's right there. You squeeze this and it just pulls out. Same on this one. All right, so let me pull that out, and then the catch can goes in here like so, and you bolt it down there, and you connect the hoses from here to here, and then here to there. Okay, so it's kind of self-explanatory, pretty simple, probably get done in 30 minutes without using this video. But let's go ahead and proceed and get this installed. All right, so the one with the brass fittings goes on top, and the black plastic one goes in there. Okay, that's kind of how it lines up. You put your catch can on, bolted it there, then you put the lines on. Okay, however that makes sense to you, that's how it makes sense to me. And this are very, very useful performance accessory. Basically keeps your throttle body clean and all the engine clean. All right, let's proceed here. So here, as you can see, the catch can has its own filter, stainless steel filter in there, and I just pre-tightened it. Make sure when you're threading this in the bolt, use your two hands because if you drop it in there somewhere, it's hard to find unless you have a magnet. Okay, so you just, you know, line it up like that and tighten it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it right now. It's kind of tight. You're gonna have to pull this hose to get your ratchet in, and make sure you put the lock washer in so it locks in place. So you get about maybe 1.5 inches distance from the belt. Okay, maybe, yeah, about 1.5 inches, maybe an inch right there. So it's tight, ready to go. All you have to do is connect the hoses. All right, that's the finished product right there. Make sure you push the hose in really well so there's no leaks. All right, and just finger tighten this one so that it's easy to remove when you're dumping the oil. All right, so let's go ahead and go for a drive and see how much oil it collect in the 2-hour drive that I have today. Probably collect nothing, but it might collect some. We'll see. But I know every month I dump mine in my scat pack, and it's always got a, you know, about this much oil in it inside. So it works, and it looks pretty in there. See that? Looks super pretty. All right, take a picture of that one. Done. So if you like this video, I'll put the link in the description below to Billet Technology. Black Ops. You can order this a little bit cheaper than Billet Technology. Billet Technology probably hate me, but links in the description below, guys. So click the thumbs up if you like this video, share it, and subscribe. Will help the channel a lot. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye for now.